Welcome to another 5-minute journey. The ancient thought experiment of the Ship of Theseus poses a compelling question. If every part of a ship is gradually replaced, is it still the same ship? This seemingly simple query delves into the complex nature of identity and the continuous process of change. Applying this analogy to ourselves reveals profound insights into personal development, self-acceptance, and the power of embracing the present moment. Just as the ship evolves over time, so too do we, constantly transforming yet retaining a core sense of self. This core is beautifully captured in the phrase, "being who I am," a tautology that resonates with profound meaning. Our physical bodies undergo constant renewal, with cells replacing themselves over time. Our minds, shaped by experiences and learning, are in a perpetual state of flux. Even our beliefs and perspectives evolve as we navigate life's journey. Like the Ship of Theseus, we are constantly being rebuilt, piece by piece, experience by experience. Yet, despite these changes, a sense of I-ness persists. This is where the phrase "being who I am" becomes particularly powerful. It's an affirmation of the present self, a recognition that the person we are right now is the culmination of our entire history. It acknowledges the changes without denying them, affirming the current state as valid and integral. This acceptance of the present is crucial for personal growth. It's not about clinging to a static idea of who we once were, but rather embracing the dynamic process of becoming. Being who I am is not a passive statement. It's an active affirmation of authenticity. It's about owning our identity with all its complexities and contradictions. It's saying, "This is me in this moment, and that's okay." This resonates with the idea that the ship, even with its replaced parts, still fulfills its purpose. It's still seaworthy, still itself, defined by its current state and function, not solely by its original components. This understanding leads to powerful affirmations for self-acceptance. I accept myself fully and unconditionally, just as I am in this moment. This affirmation acknowledges that we are worthy of love and acceptance, regardless of our perceived flaws or past mistakes. I embrace the changes I have undergone, recognizing that they have shaped me into the person I am today. This affirmation acknowledges the continuous process of becoming and values the experiences that have contributed to our growth. I am enough simply by being myself. This affirmation reinforces our inherent worth and reminds us that we don't need to change to be deserving of love and respect. Furthermore, the concept of existence itself solidifies our sense of self. I exist, therefore I am is a fundamental philosophical truth. It affirms our presence in the world and our right to be here. This can be extended to empowering statements about our future. I can be what I choose to be. This affirmation empowers us to take control of our lives and pursue our dreams. It acknowledges our agency and our ability to shape our own destinies. I can choose my path forward. This affirmation reinforces our ability to make choices and navigate our lives with intention. It reminds us that we are not passive recipients of fate, but active participants in our own stories. The Ship of Theseus provides a valuable framework for understanding the complexities of identity and change. By embracing the concept of being who I am, we can cultivate self-acceptance, acknowledge the continuous process of becoming, and empower ourselves to shape our future. Just as the ship endures through constant change, so too do we, carrying within us a continuous thread of self, a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. We exist, therefore we are, and with that existence comes the power to be who we choose to be and to forge our own path forward.